Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot, reading po ito for fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, take only what resonates. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. If you want to book a personal reading with me, puntahan lang doon sa Unipree sa TikTok shop. TikTok shop guys ha, hindi yung pinaka-TikTok na maraming videos, maraming followers. TikTok shop, yung pinaka-business yan doon. And doon ka na lang mag-inquire. Or check mo na lang yung bracelet na may available na reading. And please, medyo marami pong naka-line up ngayon. And so, kung mag-avail ka, yung willing to wait ha. Talaga naman po may waiting po talaga din ang reading. And yeah, let's start what we have here for fire sign. You do have here the 7 of Swords, 7 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, and the Hierophant. Fire sign. I'm feeling like meron kang bagay na minamanifest. I don't know if you're dealing with the person na may kakonect ng iba, pero the way I see this, parang gusto mong makuha yung person na ito kahit may kakonect na siyang iba. And talaga minamanifest mo siya eh. The Hierophant, yeah, you see yourself na parang spiritually connected dito sa person na ito. But, you know, this is the Hierophant. This is not the High Priestess. So, yung Hierophant, I can see this as parang ang person na ito nagiging siya sa'yo, lesson. Anyway, please tell me energy ng person na kakonect mo. Sino ito? Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag pilitin guys. Huwag pilitin. 8 of Swords. Yeah, your person could be stuck sa isang relationship, sa isang connection. The Sun is here and the King of Swords. I can see na masaya itong person na to with regards to that connection, to that relationship. Or kung stuck siya, hindi ko naman nakikita nahihirapan siya doon sa situation niya. With the King of Swords, I feel like you're dealing with the person na to tell you honestly, itong taong to pwedeng magpapakita siya na wala siyang pakialam sa'yo. Dalawa kasi yung energy na nakukuha ko eh. Some of you, pwedeng walang reaction itong person na ito with regard sa mga ginagawa mo, sinasabi mo sa kanya. Or yung iba, pwedeng may reaction siya sa mga ginagawa mo, mga messages mo sa kanya. Anyway, ano ba yung mga emotions ninyong dalawa sa isa't isa, sa connection na ito? Please tell me. Spirit guides, angel guides, emotion ninyo sa isa't isa para kay fire sign. The Two of Swords, the Queen of Wands, and the Three of Cups. Emotion niya para sa'yo. Oh, nakakaamoy ako ng Nilaga. Something na ulam na masabaw. This could be your reading. Nilaga, tinola, ganon. Kasi parang nakakaamoy ako ng ano yun eh. Patis with calamansi. So, pwede, you might be eating something na may sinasawsaw doon, or maybe your food is sabaw na may ano, sabaw na ulam like tinola or nilaga. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit, Virgo energy. You do love this person. Pwede nagdidesisyon ka or naghihintay ka ng desisyon mula dito sa taong to, but you are ready. Kung ano man magiging desisyon niya, you're there. Nandiyan ka lang. Maybe as a friend, maybe a person na kahit may relasyon na siya, pag pinili ka niya, andiyan ka lang. The Seven of Wands, the Ace of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. The Hermit and the Tower is here. The Chariot. Justice card. Five of Pentacles. Guys, bibigyan kita ng dalawang situation. Alin man yung sa'yo dito. If you're dealing with a person na wala naman nagiging problema yung relationship nila, I feel like you do know na may problema yung relationship nila or wala. Maybe if you are friend, especially if you are friends, so may idea ka kung ano yung meron sa relationship nila. Pwedeng nasabi niya sa'yo yun. And kung nagkakagulo sila doon sa relationship na yun, alam mo na nagkakagulo sila, this person wants to end the connection, the relationship sa kanyang person, and gusto niya ng changes, gusto niya umalis sa relationship na yan. Hindi na siya masaya. This person wants to, actually, gusto niyang makipag-connect or mag-message sa'yo, or gusto niyang like maybe mag-travel. Parang nasasaktan siya or nagsisisi siya na nasaktan ka niya, or nasaktan ka dahil sa connection ninyong dalawa. Alam niya yon na nasasaktan ka. So, if that is not your situation, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you're dealing with someone na walang pakialam. I'm sorry to say, pwedeng masaya na kasi itong person na ito, and yung happiness niya and yung emotions niya, yung pagmamahal niya is nandun sa kanyang kakonect or dun sa kanyang relationship ngayon. So, what will happen in the future para sa inyong dalawa? In the future, there's this Ten of Pentacles, Justice card, Five of Pentacles. What's with the Five of Pentacles? The Star, Six of Swords, and the Empress. Page of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Four of Swords, and the Six of Cups. Okay. Ace of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. This is, the Ace of Pentacles is may kinalaman sa inyo beginnings. Especially, maybe may kinalaman sa money. Or whatever is yung nasa buhay mo ngayon. Like your 3D world. Okay? Yung reality mo. If you're dealing with someone in the past, the Four of Swords, like, alam mo yung energy na ito, yung parang namatayan. There are things na nag-end na kailangan mong tanggapin. If this is a past person, na parang wala siyang pakialam sa'yo, this person is in another relationship, tapos walang niha-niho dito sa taon to. You have to learn how to let go. Love yourself, move on, and with the Star, hindi pa naman, alam mo yung Star, there are wishes talaga na hindi mo makukuha. Like, let's accept that. Maybe you wish for something, and then you're waiting for that wish na mangyari. Maybe it didn't happen, you have to accept that. Kailangan mo tanggapin. Pero hindi pa huli ang lahat. You can still make a lot of wishes sa buhay mo. Whatever itong nawala na sa'yo, tanggapin mo na lang. With the Five of Pentacles, the Justice card, kasi the more na nag-e-effort ka dito sa bagay na to, the more na talagang you're thinking about this person, thinking na mahal mo pa siya, etc. Hindi mo na open yung connection or yung relationship mo or yung puso mo sa iba. So that is you. Okay? So, yung isang energy naman, na if yung person naman na ito ay, may idea ka na sila ay hindi happy sa relationship. I can see a lot of money, by the way, para sa'yo. Money, I can see celebration. And in the future, I don't know, may mga nakikita ko dito ng iba may kakasuhan or may mga makakaaway ka regarding the law. And pumapabor sa'yo, especially kung ikaw yung nadehado, ikaw yung sila may problema sa'yo, so I can see pumapabor sa'yo ito. With regards to your person, to this person, nakita tayo dito ng I feel like pagpe-prepare. This person is going to prepare something. And I feel like pagpe-prepare yun regarding sa kanyang sarili, pabalik or papunta sa'yo. You know? Regarding dun sa kanyang relationship, sa kanyang connection, na pwedeng ka-connect niya ngayon, I can see na I don't know, I feel at peace, sa totoo lang. I feel at peace sa kanilang dalawa. Maybe the other person, pwedeng iwan kasi siya. Ganon. Hindi ko lang masabi if it has something to do with life, iiwan siya literal. Kasi, sabihin na natin, pwedeng makabilang buhay, ganun, or literal na lumayo or umalis or nagkaroon ng separation. And I feel like your person will be more than happy, 'di ba? Yung kumbaga parang hindi naman na rin kasi nagwo-workout yung relationship. So kung magkakaiwalay, mas okay pa, mas magiging masaya siya. So, yeah, I can see at peace na energy sa person nito in the future. And I feel like pwede mag-ready siya pupunta sa'yo. So, dalawa yung energy, take only what resonates kung saan ka mas makaka-relate doon. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Kahit po heart lang, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Maraming salamat po ulit. I-end ko na lang po dito ang video. And I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.